Verve includes a three-dimensional view which is based on top of the Ardour 3D Java framework. We use Corba to connect to our robots. Once I'm listening to a particular robot, I can choose to follow that robot. When we are going to operate a robot, we create something called a plan, which we then upload to the robot. Verve will give feedback as to what is going on in the plan. The robot is a generic housing to which we can add different interesting instruments, and we can then use these instruments to gather scientific data. While the robot is running, it will build up a number of maps to control its own navigation and make sure that it's not running into obstacles. It uses stereo cameras to build up a traversability map. In this particular plan, the GPR, or ground penetrating radar, has been turned on. Through these controls, I can tune how I want this to be displayed. If we have a communications problem with the robot, we will see immediately that there is a communication dropout. We also can see summary information about our batteries and the temperature and so on. Robot operators can also find out what components of the robot are being used, and they can use this artificial horizon to get information about pitch and roll of the robot at a given time. We also get real-time image data from the robots. We have several cameras on the robot. In this plan, we're about to take a panorama. We have pan-tilt cameras on top of the robot, and by controlling the positioning of the robot as well as the camera settings, we can build hugely rich gigapan imagery with the robot. These images will later be stitched together and can be viewed with our gigapan software.